not all fertilizers are created equal, and I think it's important to talk about getting the right fertilizer and putting the right quality on your plants.
I think one of the big focuses in the market today, people want to use natural elements. They want to use organically occurring items that are already in the soil or in other soils to kind of create that natural growth instead of using a synthetically generated fertilizer to try and put those elements on. What we do at Dramm is we actually collect all the fishing scraps off the Great Lakes, and instead of those going into a landfill, we convert them into a liquid fertilizer. And it's just as easy as liquefying that and stabilizing it with an acid. We're basically pickling fish. And what we do then is apply that to the soil with some water, and what we're doing is we're actually feeding the soil. Organic garden is all about feeding the soil, and the soil feeds the plants. Those occurring items are already in the soil, but they need to be converted to a usable form for the plants. What you find over time is that you're building a soil community, and the plants grow darker and more healthy, larger leaves, thicker stems, and they're more of a natural plant instead of growing rapidly and very leggy. Organics is very popular right now, and utilizing some form of an organic fertilizer is also feeding the soil, not just feeding the plant.